Just wait, and now we have a smooth scrolling effect inside the desktop. You can also do this in any screen sizes, say for laptop, iPad, and mobile. So hi guys, and welcome to this channel, Kazukiyan. So for today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a scrolling effect for your portfolio, especially for a freelancer. So if you want to display your portfolio in scrolling effect inside the Mac, desktop, iPad, and mobile graphics, so this is the solution. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first things first, we need to get a screenshot for this website. So any website you have, okay, so just screenshot this one. So we're going to use this awesome extension in Chrome. So if you haven't that installed, you just simply search awesome screenshots, then so once you click the search, you will see there's a result, this one. Just click this one, and then you will see this one, then click install. So in my case, I already have installed this extension, so I will just skip for this one. So that's that. Once you have that extension, go to the website you want to screenshot. So in my case, I want to create or a screenshot for the whole web page of this my home page. So click here and this extension, and you will see something like this. So since we want the full screenshot of this website, so just basically click capture, and then this one, full page. Okay, let's just wait until the screenshot's done. Now we have our screenshot created in this plugin. Okay, so this is desktop. So now let's just click done, and then we are going to download this one here. Okay, so let's see. So okay, so I now have my PNG file for the whole website. Okay, so that's that. And then after that one, you just basically use Adobe Photoshop to create your scrolling effect. Okay, so another thing is we'll download a something like another is we need to download the graphics. Okay, so just say iPad, Mac, desktop, Mac, mockup, something like that. This one, okay, I think, or maybe, let's see. Okay, so say for example this one. Now just basically maximize this one. So this is 1920 by 1080 pixels. So I'm using Canva for this one. Okay, if you want these graphics, please let me know. Just leave a comment below. So just save this one. Okay, transparent. And then this one. Okay. Now once you've downloaded this one, make sure you paste it in same folder. So it's easy for you to navigate. So now we are going to open the file. So let's see. So this is the files I have. So open up both screenshot and the mockup. So now we have this full screenshot and this one. Okay. So what we're going to do is just hit Control dash or minus. Okay, then this one, this screenshot will just basically right click here, then duplicate, and then in document under destination, just click over here and duplicate in this area, which is this one. Hit OK. Then we now have this screenshot. So let's close that one. Then as you can see, I have here the mockup of Mac. So just enable that one, the layer. Then we'll just resize it by clicking this one or Control T in Windows, or image, this one, image and image size. Okay. So sorry, you need to put a just Control T. So we need to resize this one. Let's just hit Control plus T to resize. So we're going to resize it the same size on the screen, on the white screen of the Mac graphics. So just hit Shift and arrow up. Okay, and that's that. So click check. Okay, once you've clicked that one, just turn off this one, the visibility. Then just create the ruler. So to display this one, just basically go to Window, and then what we have here, timeline. Okay. View, and then ruler, this one. So view and ruler. Now we just put something here so that you know where is the correct place to cut that one. Now let's put back our layer, website screenshot. Then let's just click this one, the rectangular marquee tool. Then just zoom in by pressing Control plus. Okay, so you can see your workspace. Then from here over here, all the way at the end, then release the mouse. So that's that. So if you're using a Photoshop, you will you will see automatically this option. But if you haven't any option, this one, just go on the right side corner, you will see this one. Just click that one, and then that's that. Okay, now if you're using a Photoshop, you can basically arrange the workspace and just choose motion. Okay, so in most cases you will see essential, okay, which is this one by default. Then just click Window, workspace and motion. So you will see this timeline under the workspace. So you will see a drop down, just click this one. Then we're going to work in create frame animation. Okay, make sure you check that one. Then since we're ready to go, just click, and then you will see a timeline here. Okay, so what we are going to do is change the animation, say 2 seconds. Then we just click this one here. Okay, then copy frame, then click again, paste frame, then make sure that this is the only option you select. So if it happens you see that this area is checked, then uncheck that one. Okay, we don't want that to be linked to any layers that we're going to create under this timeline. Okay, hit OK, then we're good to go. So on the first timeline here is the top of your website. Then at the second timeline, just click this one. Okay, then unlink this one. Unlink. Once you have unlinked this one, you can now grab this graphics of screenshot of your website. So just click this one. Make sure you select this one. Click this one or this one. Click here. Then just long press shift, then drag the screenshot above all the way down to the footer section. Okay, so make sure the end is correct. Okay, so I think it's good to go. Now let's check. Okay, top, bottom. So what we're going to do now is just duplicate this first, clicking this second layer which is at the bottom. Click this one, copy. Okay, then paste, frame, same, hit OK. So this is the same, right? Now next is the first timeline. Okay, we're just going to duplicate this one. So just click again, copy, and then paste, frame. Okay, then just hit paste and OK. So you will see that we now have the same timeline here. Just the second one will be dragged all the way to the end. So it's basically top, bottom, bottom, top. Okay, you get the point. So top, bottom, bottom, top. Hey, now our animation is ready to go. So just click this one. Okay, then long press the shift, then click again this one. So you will select two timeline. Once you select this two timeline, okay, just click over here this icon, then you will see this twin window. Okay, so make sure you select this selection, then add frames around maybe 45. Okay, it depends on your how long is your website. So just play around and you can check if that fits your needs. Okay, and click OK, and you will see this one here. Okay, so we'll play that one. As you can see, we now have a smooth scrolling effect. But of course, we are not yet done with this one. So as you can see here, it stopped, right? Okay, so what we need now is another animation at the bottom. So remember, we have the last frame, which is this one, frame of the timeline, which is bottom to top. So just click this one and then click shift, then click again this one, then another, click this one. Okay, then same, you can click OK. Okay, so now we have created another frames. Okay, so we can now preview this one. So I'm pretty sure it's good to go. So just hit play. So now we have a scrolling effect, animation all the way down to the bottom. So this is how you create your animation. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. As you can see, now have the smooth scrolling effect from bottom to top. Okay, as you can see, let's just wait till it reaches at the top. Okay, that, then it will loop because we set a forever here. So if you want to set a playtime, which is 3 times, then we can do that. But in my case, I want this to be forever, so that it will keep scrolling and it will keep animate. Okay, once you are satisfied of the animation scrolling effect of your portfolio, you can say you want some background here. Depends on your preference, but in my case I am happy with this one. Then file, okay, then maybe um, export, okay, save that for web, then you will see this window. Okay, there's a shortcut of this one as well, so let's just wait. It's loading. Okay, okay, it's loading the assets here. Okay, so let me try again. So cancel this one, then you can also click Control Shift Alt A plus S, so you can see same window, this one. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of sec. Now we will see our initial output. So this is where you save. So this is GIF. Okay, okay, let's just put that one. Okay, so that's that. Okay, let's play. Okay, so you can see it's same output. Okay, now let's save, and we are going to save it where you want. Okay, scrolling effect. Then once it's saved, let's preview that one in our browser. Okay, so just wait. Okay, our scrolling effect is now saved, so let's preview that one. So okay, maybe we'll sort it out. Type, group by type, this GIF, this one. Okay, just wait, and now we have a smooth scrolling effect inside the desktop. You can also do this in your in any screen sizes, say for laptop, iPad, and mobile. So that's that. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.